Let's take a look at how to remove a unit from a unit deal. So we'll take a look at this customer order in particular. Now, if you haven't gotten too far in your deal, it's quite easy to just go into the unit record, and as long as it is either in quotation or in progress, what you would see at this stage here at the unit record is a little icon that says remove unit, and it's that simple. Now let's look at this scenario here in which we have an on order unit, and this on order unit, it looks like we have options and fees, and they have been committed to the deal, and by committing them to the deal, it has created deal service. And it looks like we also have financing. So this one's a little more layered and not quite as simple to just simply go in and remove the unit. However, we can do so. So the first thing you'd have to do is to go into the deal service. And now we're going to remove these items. Because in this scenario, we're saying that this unit never arrived and the customer will not be purchasing it. There's no unit to purchase. Great, so we've done that. Now you'll see what has happened is a new line here has been added, unresolved fulfillments. So because of that, it's still in progress and we can't take it to in quotation. And with it, let's see if we can remove the unit. Nope, still can't remove the unit. So let's go and look at these unresolved fulfillments. And now this is the labor and the part that was on here. Let's go ahead and remove it from the deal. So in cases like this, there's a bit more deconstruction that has to take place. So now we have no more deal service. And look at that. We can go ahead and remove the trade-in. Whoops. We can go ahead and remove the unit. And when we do that, a warning will pop up, and then you can go ahead and remove that unit.